हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन टू अनदर वीडियो। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको रोम तोरवरगाता के एक एक्सपीरियंस्ड स्टूडेंट से मिलवाने वाला हूं। दोस्तों, रोम तोरवरगाता यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वन ऑफ द वेल रैंक्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है और रोम लोकेशन में है। तो आज जानेंगे हम कि हमारे दोस्त आसिफ का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है वहाँ पर, इन्होंने एडमिशन कैसे लिया है, स्कॉलरशिप कितनी मिलती है, आइल्स दी या नहीं, ये सारी चीज़ें जो आपके लिए यूज़फुल होने वाली है। तो सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू सो मच आसिफ
You're
फॉर
welcome.
ज्वाइनिंग
Thank
अस।
you.
एंड स्टार्ट करने से पहले क्या आप आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दे देंगे?
Yes, my name is Syed Asif. I
हम्म।
am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh,
हाँ।
India, and I am studying in Romtar Vargata with Engineering Sciences course
हम्म।
for bachelor's. And I just came here through consultancy. I haven't given any IELTS or anything.
हम्म।
I just shown some English proof of certificate from the university where previous college
हम्म।
where I have studied, and the admission and scholarship process everything was done with the consultancy itself.
ऑल राइट। सो सबसे पहले शुरुआत देखें, इन्होंने खुद अप्लाई नहीं किया तो कंसल्टेंसी से अप्लाई किया, तो एडमिशन का प्रोसेस का इन्हें इतना नॉलेज नहीं है। बट अब हम इनका थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस जानने की कोशिश करते। तो सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूँगा आसिफ, आपने बैक इन इंडिया कौन सा कोर्स किया है?
मैंने किया था डिप्लोमा इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग। मेरा यहाँ
हम्म।
सेकेंडरी स्कूल ऑफ एजुकेशन आफ्टर 10th
हाँ
आई
हाँ।
हैव written some competitive exam like Polyset, and then I entered with Polytechnic where I
Okay.
have did my diploma in mechanical engineering, which is a 3 years course.
Okay.
And then after I just started started the research with different countries,
Uh-huh.
in which I have came to know about Australia, Canada, USA, UK, and it was a very surprise thing for me to find Italy as a best country to study in a good financial way,
Uh-huh.
because I am from a balanced family, so that expending more for education for bachelor itself is a hard thing for me.
Can
and
understand.
then and then I just researched everything with Italy, and I have went through many consultancies, and many of them were in a different way, like they are saying different amounts for doing all the process.
Uh-huh.
But when I came to some consultancy, then they have told me that these are the things which you have to follow up, and we will take care of this, and this is the amount, like that they have explained me everything, where I found some confidence, and then I started going through with the knowledge with process and all. So then I just asked the consultancy like which are the universities you are going to apply and all stuff, and courses and all stuff. After they gave me some list, I have found my best of the list, and then I thought like engineering sciences is the best course where I can go through the bachelor's education with 3 years. It's more than enough. Even I do in India for after my diploma, the 3 years course will be the same for like I enter directly to the second year. And so I thought like, okay, I'm not wasting a lot of time for me, so I just came here and I started studying. And
All right. All right. So, will you recommend like the future students to go through any consultancy or to do self application?
No. The things what I have faced, like I'm also the person who is very willing to find something new, and I searched all the websites of the universities and trying to apply, but it was like a lots of confusion for me. Why I am doing all these things? I don't know what is codice fiscale, what is the login ID, what is all stuff. How can I get them? I was all in a confusion. So
Okay.
I found like, okay, the experienced people will always be they suggest the good and they do the work good. So I thought like money we can expend for some good work, and I just went through consultancy and they did the processes, and later on coming to here, then I came to understand what the details they have provided for me was okay. That was completely good.
All right.
Yeah.
So, I just wanted to let you know, guys, that through diploma also you can come to Italy. And second thing, like engineering sciences. For engineering sciences, like did university conducted any interview or test for you?
Yes. After the application, they have checked all my certificates, and they have sent me an email. The consultancy told that you have received an email with a Skype interview call
Okay.
on some date and time. And on that date and time, I have attended the Skype interview call, in which they have asked me to explain about myself, and I just introduced myself to them, and then they have started asking few questions: why Italy, why Rome, Tor Vergata, like this, and I have answered everything in a perfect manner. Like what are the interests in me have letted me to know everything why I chosen these things. And then they started asking some technical questions through mathematics and physics and chemistry. Not chemistry, I don't think so, but mathematics and chemistry with 4 to 5 questions, and they are not so hard that we have to prepare for some JE mains or like that. It is a basic one. Then I have answered everything. Out of 5, I think I just went through it 4 questions right, and the one question, it doesn't mean like it was a hard one for me.
Okay.
Like then they after the call, after a few days, they have sent me an email, like within 10 days they have sent me an email like, you have got admitted with the university.
No.
This was the procedure which I followed for the university.
That's perfect. But I think nowadays they are asking for TOEIC exam for the students, right?
Yes.
Okay. So are you paying any tuition fees at the University of Torogata? Any taxes?
Right now it is completely zero, because during my intake at 2018, ranking of India made us to be a part of like a developing country, and in that as per Italian rules and regulations, they have provided everything free.
Okay.
Only a university fees of 16 euro I have paid. Even the 150 tax for the university fee was paid by the government itself, as I was a scholarship winner.
Yes.
And I have scored the scholarship at that time. Whenever I was having a scholarship, I was not having any university fee. I
Okay.
scored with good credits, and I just passed with the credits what they require for a scholarship, and then it was completely fine for me.
So it's same like me. Like I also pay 16 euro tax because we both have the same
Yes.
regional scholarship.
Yes.
So which regional scholarship do you have?
I have Lazio region.
And how much they pay? for you?
They pay like 5,200 in 2 installments. One is 2,600, another is 2,600.
And is it easy to get that scholarship in Rom Torvargata?
Of course, yes.
Uh-huh. All right. So that's how you can make your education free. You doesn't need to pay any tuition fees, and with that you will get 5,200 euros scholarship to manage your living
Of
expenses,
course,
right?
Yes.
Yes. So now Asif is in 3rd year, and like next year you're planning to graduate, right?
Yeah, of course.
So what are your future plans after that? Because most of the bachelor students want to know.
Perfect.
Yeah.
As I have seen all the universities here, and many of the universities are world-class universities in Italy, where I found Politecnico di Milano, University of Rome Tor Vergata, Sapienza, Bologna, and Turin, and there are a lot, not only these few. The things which I remember right now, I just explained, and these universities are offering a good with mechanical branch, as I did my previous education with mechanical, and I am planning to give my final year with mechanical in engineering sciences, and then in the future also I just plan to go with mechanical itself. In this I have find many universities showing the better performances. I don't think so I just want to go outside or find some other country, because I just explored all the Rome, and I can try to speak some Italian, and I can manage with the local people, which made me to stay here and communicate more with many people, so that it may increase my knowledge with outer world. So I was planning to do some masters here itself, and it might be better for me with another free education and another scholarships and and everything fine for the future. And hopefully I have to look after the graduation, and I have to plan according to that, and I have to go with the ranking what I have got, and scores what I have got, which university is accepting me with the score
That
I have
score,
scored. Yeah, like that.
All right. So that's really cool. Like, are you satisfied by studying in Rome Torvargata?
Yes, during I have faced many problems during my first year. Like I was in a hard mood. Like why I just came here. I struggled a lot in studying. Then later on, when I started moving with my friends, and they have few people are doing good, few people are struggling to do good, few people are going back, and this made me to realize that I just came here to study good, because my target is to finish a graduation, and I came for an education, and I started learning things from many people, international people, speaking to the different kinds of people who inspired me to come through this aspect, like you can do, you should do. Then I started studying from the first year. During my first semester, I was very back when compared with my friends.
Okay.
Then in the second year, which self motivation made me to push forward, and then to go good way, which led me to come to this final year and to graduate soon.
Perfect, man. Perfect. So overall, you had a great experience with University of Rome
Yes,
Torvargata.
yes.
So what would you recommend to future students?
Yeah, well, the thing is, when someone is having some aim to do something or goals to achieve something, then all I suggest you is take a forward step. Never stay in a thinking mode. Take a forward step and do things, and then apply for universities. Come outside, explore the world, and try to achieve things. Never step back because have seeing the difficulties. Try to go over. Future students are the future world. We have to take care of this world.
Wow, man, such great words. So I think that's enough for you guys to get the experience of University of Torvargata, and we'll shoot another series of part-time jobs in Italy as well. He has done a lot of part-time jobs. So wait for that next video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much, Asif, for joining us. Glad to have you here. Thank you. Bye-bye.